Hello everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we have to find out optimization. How we can optimize our Excel formula to save our time, to avoid manual intervention. Let's look at this example. How we can see that. This is important for every Excel user to double check your data, rather using a lot of meshed logics. So we have to optimize our Excel formula to achieve accuracy or time, of course, which is very important. Second, replace all months with January. These two problem we are going to solve today. Look at this example. We have to replace all the months with January. How do we do that? We have to replace all the months with January. It is very simple, guys. Let me show you how we can achieve that. So first we have to find out total length. You can see that total length we have to calculate. And the length we are getting this, guys. This is the length we are getting, which is correct. But we have to reach until February, until August. Then how do we find out? So in that case, you have to find out this three character are constant everywhere. And if you add three more, so then it becomes six. So six you have to minus from this. So you can use simply a replace function. Okay. This is the old text you have. And what is the start number? Start number this minus six, comma, number of characters. You have three characters and that should be replaced with January. And you see that answer will not come. Answer will not come. Some issue is there because you have to add plus one. Now you see that answer has come. Got it? Right? All the months are replaced with January. You can see this January. You can see that May, March, January. Okay, everything is replaced with January. Then that's how we can solve this problem. Now, guys, second problem we are going to solve. How we optimize Excel formula by using absolute and relative reference. And why this is important for any Excel user, guys. And let's see we can achieve that. How we achieve it, guys? We have to go to one Excel file. Look at this data. Optimization is very important. All the salary, this is the current salary, and the following organizations are offering these many hikes. We have to calculate CTC for everyone. This is the current package, or it could be the current salary. That remuneration post hike we have to calculate. How do we work out this issue? How do we work out this problem? So simply you can select this value multiplied by 1 plus this, and that's all. There is some issue with this formula. If you look at B column is constant for all the cells. If you look at this third row is also constant for all the cells. So wherever you have third row, you can actually lock by pressing F4 two times. And if you look at this B5, you can press F4 three times. Column should be locked and row should be locked, column should be locked. Once you have achieved this, you simply go and select the data, Control R, Control D. This is how the result will look like, which is accurate. And you can validate this, just simply select the connectivity, or maybe you can select any cell. Go to formula. You can see this trace dependent, trace precedents, and see that this is actually the formula connectivity, which is correct. Remove arrows. Any cell you select and see that, which is correct. I hope this is clear. And guys, that's all. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel if you want some more videos.